Northeast India tourism chesami we pekar ka khwili machut mi haira Best Sustainable Tourism Practice Award sampang haira Avakar wuivang zangthang worship shung sakraji haira Ato kilon serli tangkhul awunga awung vu pingna ngorokhui gi chi chishat haira Like Thor, Tangkhul Express Pvt with Wungramphi Ngalung in a palmy dalei, bobbing may sign at Ngalung. Northeast India Tourism Award 2025 the Chesamina Best Sustainable Tourism Practice Award Sampang Haira. Chesami Tourism the Wildlife Conservation Portway Sustainable Tourism Practice wuivang machut samgapang maramli ringapa pongshokta Dr. Wuivang and Mekirishuna kahang. Award samgapang hina kavang kakwili yaruina lungsan da kasa hitharan kachanga kalagabong kangaje kwirabaya kaje shitsang saka Ajagum with Northeast India Tourism Award angarana ngayeji tui kahai haptali kohati asamni rungmi kahaina Dr. Wuivang and Mekrishu Chesami Tourism and Wildlife Conservation Board Pagashokli Kazanga, Kalanongin Kavangakui, Mistress Humis Peasant Community Conserve Kasemdi, Kamataya Odngarut Kakuyana. Kavangakui Jili Won Tokami Odngarut Kwimi Kahai wuivang Dr. Wuivang Best Culture Heritage Conservation Effort Award with Top 5 Nominate Kasali Kazang Sampanga. Award kala machut samgapanghi shorgana yang kaida ragahai alungli yaruina koka sada yang gasangli tanda khalei chesami wuivang kamataya pekara kangsai chesami kuna sustainable tourism kala cultural heritage kavangko kwiwi hot kanaji taimida machut kani samgapang maramli ikon li chanpei sada Dr. Wuivang and Mekrisu Kala Chesami Village Council Secretary Asset Wize Anina Ringapa Kala Ningashi Pongshoka Sustainable Tourism ni Banglak ina kakatoma Dr. Mekrisu na kahang Machut samgapang hinayari ningrin biodiversity kanga kala nongin mikhavai kavangakui ningrin li mga kavajitaya Machut samgapang hina chesami wuivang kapha ragabai katei ina ngasoda sadzigbai khalei machut kava Dr. Mekrisuna pagitaya Tourism hina ngakame kangasawi ning kwiraya kala itumi ecosystem mena kangaja timlon akami lan kavangakui ninghai sangmia Kuram yaugazata mi taraka ragazang taran sadzigbai khalei we ninga karik pongshoka Sazigbai khalei suidakavai miragzang manage sakavai chesamina regulatory mechanism haida itumi tourism industry inequality responsibility kala sustainability li kamataya sada haingasaka da hanga chithada sada itumi khangaja timlon ngashan kala rakara atam li masazi kavai kasana da Dr. Mekrisun hanga Abam chui shanglak kahai karang hong kavangakui hakasang rigsang wuivang rakara atam lila stakeholder swing kalayari chungmeda hosang koka sada sharukwing sa kavai hotnara gachi Dr. Mekrisuna gachi han pongshoka Chesami na sada kalay kavangakui pekar mga kava maram Chesami Village Council Secretary Asset Wezena hangjitaya Tourism Pekar Hagupo Kalayari Sustainable Tourism Ningrin Lingsang Kami Dr. Wuivang and Mekrisu Liningashi Pongshoka Dr. Wuivang na hangachitay mga na yaro na Village Council Likatom Kangai Hila Chesami Kavangakui Pekar mga kawawi maram akana dahanga Chesami Tourism Motel Community Tribe and Natural War Kala Culture Experience Hinakamatay Energy Sustainability shurkavai kujina guidelines haimi haira tourism haupok taterla ragara atam li mathasang kachi yaruina kachi han ning haktale kavang kakui ot kasa mga kakui hili paumebing media kala ot ngurut kwimia kachi wizen hanga Kala chesami na sada khalei maleilak eina nongyin vanau khavang khui maram pau ngayaw khamili ikon khamatai od ngurut khui miya gachi hangsanga Dr. Vayepi and Mekrisu winning rin alongli nongyin nga khami nang sod tourism semkadalai ecotourism, wildlife tourism, cultural tourism, gala battlefield tourism ngarumda chesamina ngate hangahai conservation zaina tourism ngarumda kahaina chesami wi manga khawahi yaruina zangda hakasang rekasang khara gala ningrin titta kazatli yarui kadena shikhui gabai chanjang ngasadale Shorkarna katom kami maleilala chesami yaruina koka sada sashapagaji ningai na paikar mga kokhui samkapangnaji bauhi ikondi sampanga NSCN GPRN the Tokilon Sir TH Muiva Ungi Wuivang Ukrul District Headquarters Li Mabung Palak enang rokhui kawai ngarandale Atokilon Sir Muiva Ungzangtang kayakha sada TKA sui jurisdictional worship saikor shuti saming sakra jihaira Tangkhul Express President Ramrijan Geshing kahang
Hello, I'm Ramrijan Geshing, the President of Tangkhul Express. We are so excited and thrilled about the homecoming, the long-awaited homecoming of our Honorable Atokilon Sir TH Muiva. We are so privileged to be part of this homecoming ceremony, welcoming our hero in our own land, as this is happening after a very long years, that is 50 years. TKS as the apex body of the student community, we are also taking our part in mobilization, sensitizing our students. As a part of mobilizations, we are undertaking the installation of hoardings in various parts of our region, and also we have done various meetings with our zonals and also principals and school authorities. So we are also reaching out to all the student unions from various parts of our region. We appeal to all the student community and also to all the general public to be part of this historic occasion. We are expecting maximum participation from students as well, so as to give a heartwarming welcome to our Honorable Atokilon Sir. All the educational institutions within the jurisdiction of TKS will remain close and join in welcoming our Honorable Atokilon Sir. We also appeal not only the students but to all the general public to be part of this historic occasion. Kuknalim.
NSCN GPRN Atokilon Sir li worship now bing nala honjingjing leisalala Ukrul District Headquarters li leisalala worship pangajia Maring Mi Memorial School, KTL Excel Higher Secondary School, Sacred Heart Higher Secondary, Arindel Nakai Academy kala Ukrul Central School wikatam now bing nala awakarali take wikangai sambang kangai pongshok haira.
Yo aming nagjing hoye yo on the way na class 10 karle ina avakro wimram lik shava ahina nui lwen habogo ari rashungda ana itum wang chikat mi de legala ana nui len lairik dam huilga wuivang nei da atam thumi lga au khurjan ji shaye ga aungji jo itum gudam na sa da ring phanare gala aling hang vai chance mi ga I tha hangare itum wuivang khna son wuivang na son wuivang agla gudam na wuivang atam mi tha dang thumi hai wang ningshiya ye da hangare
Eli ungji mi khoye I class 10 tam dalei I Ukrul Central School eina ina avakro maram yangmichingda thada shimida hang mi ge gja ahi phamoi thi gja naga freedom struggle akhane ana ngunwi laga wena naga we identity hi aware salga ring ka mi akhne ahi somda nawne ahi atam sang mung thure ka achi hi a ungra gja itum tong na sai kala theire ahi ungau si je itum khni thot aka sada itum tong ha ring phare kala ali sam phang chance itum li miao si ja iwa ahi na khalei wang ina itum khni thot na ka we identity hi mashman na pom da khlei nei no wang itum ring phai kala chililang mi da Nathum naka yu tong ho we mutun sa da ina hangai gja na li itum ki pa khana mam laim re na hi itum naka we history akhane gji hangai.
My name is Achon. I'm currently studying as a class 10 student in Sacred Higher Secondary School. And yes, I have heard many stories about our respected Sir TH Muiva. I have heard that from a young age, he has tried to become a person who is able to lead our people. And in the Naga national movement, it has been found that he has done many great deeds. He has gone to many foreign countries and tried to keep connections that can help us grow. And he has also tried, and again, he has also kept on moving forward and forward, so that we, even though when we lose hope, he may become a light that can guide us in the future. And when I'm asked about whether I will be excited if I am able to meet him, then yes, I'll be very much excited, because he is a very historical figure. He is a person who is able to guide many people, and he has shown us that we are able to develop ourselves even in toughest times. If I am able to meet him, then I will be very much pleased, because I'll be able to learn many kinds of things that I have not known right now in my time, and from him I can gain many kinds of experiences for the future. And lastly, if I ever have the opportunity to ever greet him, then I would like to say that he has done many kinds of services, and I would like to thank him for all those services. He has guided us, and I would like to request him that he may give us some words of wisdom, so that we may be able to develop ourselves to be a better person in the future, and also to keep our identity as a person belonging to the Naga tribe. Thank you.
My name is Wungramphi. I'm studying in class 9, and I am from Maringme Memorial School. First of all, Ngalung, he is a Naga nationalist politician and a launcher of NSC and GPRN. Through his great leadership, the framework agreement was signed in 2015. If I had the opportunity to meet such a great leader like him, I would be blessed. And yes, I am excited to meet him. And the message that I like to give is, Avakher, your lifelong journey and dedication of our Naga causes, the right of our people that you fight for, has deeply touched, and that your remaining life be guided with wisdom and unite and recollect the Naga people.
My name is Wungramphi. I am currently studying in class 10 in KTL Excel Higher Secondary School. I know that Ngalung, whom we fondly like to call Avakher, is the most prominent figure for us Nagas. His sacrifices is known to all of us. So today I would like to recall two of the most important instances in his life. Firstly, signing of the Framework Agreement 2015. It was signed on 3rd August 2015 as a landmark of peace between the government of India and the NSC. Secondly, the Naga National Movement led by Naga National Council became recognized at the international level that came support for the Naga self-determination. All this is solely credited to the leadership of our Avakher. When I heard that he was coming to his homeland, it felt unrealistic and dreamlike. It is akin to meeting a renowned being, a godlike figure. So for me, I feel like this is once in a lifetime opportunity. And if I ever had the chance to meet him, I would like to say that as a daughter of this land, I am very proud, and that his legacy will live in us as long as this blood flows within all of us. Kuknalim.
Kanuitot na lava karali yangada honjingjing leida khalei pongshoka.
My name is Khalei. I heard stories that D.H. Wuivang is a brave leader of the Naga people's rights and unity. Yes, I'm very excited. I never met him once, but I'm very happy he's coming home. If I ever get a chance to meet him, I would like to tell him thank you for his sacrifice and love for our people.
Tangkhul Ngalung we executive salak pumdakle. Arui ya avakrum avakra te 22 lyongwi jihile. Mai thun na ngni la kharjan. Tekha sampang jing ka ali masa ngro ko khui sampang khui ji himangwan ne ka zu aungi ji hiring pha lak ai atam ne da hangre. Ga an ya release service mi gai ji ithum tui ma ngai na mi po ma ngai na san ne ka zu hili khu lyongwi ji ithum tang na bing ring phang yi. Ga hi thum tha gai na welcome sakhui se lang me da achon hina itum khlei wen na chara sum dak le itum we national activities kala to kelon sarak sada itum we nationalism spirit lam tai ga rek ji la hang sangai ja na le dak le ru chum na saikorana achon hile khya shi sada ko to na thala na welcome sa khoi ga achon hile mion khoi sek ji hang au nisla ka
wuivang ko only Tangkhul awung along kala awung vulong na halapat we na ngorokwi da Tangkhul wing shen sari ngavai milaga yari kzipki kichi apamay na tang da escort savara da TNL president Tennyson kashungna hangaira wuivali ngorokwi gi kichi ngaranda khalei maram hithada hangjipuna
ili kashung Tennyson hoi Tangkhul naga awung along we president ni ichumwi leisalala kala kya shigpaya naga yurwi naga nation we prime minister ato kelonse twingleng muiwa Tangkhul ngaleili ungrer ge ji pau shalaga i kala Tangkhul aunga ping itum ga tongga ring phadle ring ga pa hian soda ungi gi ji itum naga nation we prime minister maninga kha ato kelonse ring phala kaina kapan ka shoi maleilak la ungzeng khawai kla program saikorali mapung phakawai da sa ga sa aina soda itum hili ram hili ngarai serdele hian go soda az itumui leisalala kla khya shi paya twingleng muiwana naga ngalei wuivang naga ngalei hi ninkhanaina leya lakaina ring phala kaina kayakha lakana idum saikor okthi khawai wuivang da fasa mangla kala awi khalei yang pangsep saikor jiham laga naga wuivang itum ko tong wuivang wat sami de khlei wuivang Tangkhul naga awung along kala Tangkhul naga awung wisaklong na itum khaya gishi kali itum legisi itum mosot khmi azat hi whatsapp aina saz therer gi hi Tangkhul naga awung along na itumna ngaran ngai sadale
Tennyson gashung na paume bingli ka hang Tangkhul luiram ni Tangkhul we khung shakani hangbanga da khani leya ato kilonser ungtang Tangkhul we awunga zaikor kala awung vu bing Tangkhul ngishen sari shaksada bakshi crown to we na tuida history salak kahai kzip ki gichi abamai na tang da escort sara dalei muiva ungi gichi hili Tangkhul awunga bingna kala Tangkhul naga mir zaikor we ka katom soda le gichi Tangkhul naga awunga long with president Tennyson kashungna vaumalan haira Okrul Violent Zone 2 Khalei William Patrick Research Institute WPRI na graduation exercise kare aya Hunbun Baptist Church li mayon haira graduate kasang rana ngi chili converge EIT Reverend Dr. John W. Mahant na matume sadong zanga William Patrick Research Institute chi South Korea wi Hoseo University ling shikta kasana graduation exercise chili degree confer sa kami kala ward pangran kami WPRI with President Dr. Banner Makan eina academic teen Reverend Dr. Puhong Pam Nasami William Patrick Research Institute li karesada katamnaw katumna Amei Christian Studies li graduate sahira kala katamnaw shini na Doctor of Ministry li graduate sahira Tangkhul Baptist Church Infawi Pastor Reverend Kayaibam Kamrang Lee honorary decorate mihaira Shinausen we along soft skills mling mikhavai kasat haira communication lumishan kathai adaptability hikatahina kathana bingli ngachon team productivity engagement kamakun otsakangarumle ngachona ngaji hangaira maramhi she leads strengthening soft skills for stronger leadership one day soft skill workshop kasani kahangna workshop Jim Manipur State Commissions for Women na sponsor sada Naga Women's Union na ngaran kamena ang rana ngayeji aya conference hall TSSS Mandri Bukri Imphali Rumida district khung tatay de wishinaw ninginin bing wazanga technical session li MSCW chairperson TH Tiningpam Monsang na kahang Katana sakavai intellectual kala Trishun gahai wardamrin damkri pulungra gajim malaymana Shinau Gachiwi Li Katana Sakavai Qualities Layer the MSCW Chairperson Janak Satsanga. Naga Kuung Mkuena Workshop Chili Vagzang Gachiwi Katana Gachi Hangsanga. Kala Shinau Gate Lila Hang Chitakavai, Gatom Kavai, Tuimang in a Maninglo, Otsak Energy Takavai, Kala Gatom Mikhavai, Katana Bing Jelikasa Tyra. Workshop G Chairperson MSCW Tiningpam Monsangna Chair Sada. W. Pachatombi Devi MCS, Member Secretary MSCW, Kala IPR Manipur Additional Director Ling Soda, MSCW members, Naga Women's Union President CH Priscilla Tuimai Atumna, Presidium Member Sada Vazanga. Infali Indian Oil Corporations Limited IOCL with Tau Outlet Kani Nshungia Atam Gajida Shong Zakavai Manipur Shokarna Sotan Chizikami Shokaira. Infal City Northeast Bartley IOCL with Retired Field Outlet Kani Ngadada 24/7 Shong Zakavai Hangaira Kalaji Kajang Hui Tarik Tarawin Chitada Shomi Kavai Hangahaina. Department of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distributions, Manipur Director K. Bino Singna, Officials John Bao Kushokli Kahang. Yariwi Pakavai Wuivang Oil Pumps Kani Ngadada Ngshun Ngaya Bong the Shomikavai State Shokarna, IOCL Infali Chizimi Haira. Kalachi, MS Puljant, Trilokjant, PCTC Oil Pump. Kuyatong Infal, Kala North AOC Infali Khalei, MS Pakwal Enterprise Oil Pump Li Kahangna. Shorgar we tweeted he petrol pump Shungahai Witili, unauthorized mina, Shongfu Peli, Kari, Tau, petrol portals Kala, Jerrycans Li, Kayor, Lehawa, Gaji, report Witili, Karanaji. Chita the petrol Kayorji, Ayin Mamayamana, criminal offense Sada Kriya. Prevention of black marketing and maintenance of supplies of essentials, Commodities Act 1980, Kala Petroleum Act 1934 were zingli, Mamayamana the hanga. Chikata Leisak China Ayin Matung Makandak Samang Maningda, May Trikabai, Hazards Kala. Kalashat Shokabai Apong Ling Sekada Hangsanga. Chikata Illegal Ot Masang Sakavai CAF and PD Department. Superintendent of Police Pinni Chizimi Haira the Hanga. Latui the archery Kamtaya Baubing. Northeast India Tourism Chesame we Pekarga Kwili Machut Mihaira. Best Sustainable Tourism Practice Award Sampangaira. Avakar Wuivang Zangtang, Worshim Shung Sakraji Haira. At Tokilon Surly Tangkhul Aunga Ungvu Bina, Morocco Gigachi Chishat Haira. Achawi Bao Healing a Jang Haira, Baungana the Clean Tum Saikorali Ringapaka Kamahai Zimksho Sasirana.